Presidio's evolution is more than a pivot. It's a bold redefinition of what it means to be a digital partner. We're here to explore Presidio's journey from legacy VAR to visionary consultancy. So what inspired that change from a traditional VAR to now a full-service consultancy?
It's all based on client needs, right? The industry was changing, the challenges became more complex. We saw that when we looked at technology, there were a lot more confounding factors. And even though we had great foundational capabilities in terms of system integration, right? Compute, storage, networking, infrastructure platforms, we did recognize that we had gaps in the portfolio when it came to modernizing data and interacting with applications. So as we started to fill those gaps with capabilities and investments that we've made, it helped us address a lot of our client challenges even better than before.
And with those challenges, right, there was a lot of change. So how did that really play into what partners can now expect going forward?
Yeah, so obviously with AI, there's been such a massive acceleration of technology that we've never seen before. And so even as the branded experts, it's hard for us to keep up. There's no such thing as reference architectures and things of that sort, given the speed at which everything's moving. And so we've shifted our relationships that we had with our clients as the consultancies that have all the know-how coming in and building things for our clients, and really much more focused on getting more intimate in understanding our client challenges and building alongside and building with them. So this idea of co-development and utilizing technology at the speed as it's coming out.
So marketing isn't just storytelling, it's a growth engine. So how are you at Presidio reshaping, the brand and demand strategy when it comes to co-selling with Microsoft?
So we're really taking a look at it holistically and ensuring we have the right growth mix of efforts from the marketing side, whether that be through roundtables, joint campaigns, or just intentional thought leadership. We really want to be seen as a key partner with Microsoft, driving business outcomes with customers.
So Rob, if you were to describe Presidio in one sentence and one sentence only, what would that be?
That is a pretty hard one. I'm a pretty wordy guy. I would say that Presidio, we help transform business innovation for our clients through the use of digital technology.
Transformation isn't just a buzzword, it's a business model. Thanks for sharing how Presidio is leading the way.